Good morning everyone, I am Sudiksha. So today I am tell about the next local hotness of 9,000. This one first one is there whether I can like whether one I can enter the Node.js and Express.js. This all me only write the code and also sign up page. Sign up and sign in and log in, that one is there. So first of all I am sign up page, enter my name. So Sudiksha and view that one. So Gmail also, and after you can enter password also. After password also you can enter completed. After you can sign up, click. So successful sign up is successfully. Please log in. So you can again sign in now. Enter your Gmail, your Gmail and password also. So sign in. So you can enter any city and get weather also. Click. So come to the temperature, humidity, location. This all come there. This one. So already I am write the code. I save you once. So this will the login one. You can go back. You can enter London now. So this one coming also. You can enter New York also. So get weather. Just this one is coming there. So New York also coming here. So get weather you generate and city and not found and the temperature and weather. It's all in there. So you can enter city number any, so but you cannot enter the city name. So you can city is not found, location also not give, humidity, wind and all are also not come. So you can enter any city name. So that is coming to the location and weather and humidity also. So that one. So after I am show you know say no that code. So this one. So I am using Express.js, Node.js, that one. So ES also. So that by code will sign up and sign in login page. This one. I show you already back end and front end. I am showing already API key and that one I am show once. So this all code in my login, submit and all. So I am ready. I am here on to generate get weather, that one. So all this code, so I can enter. So location and login and sign up, dot EJS and all. So now open terminal. So you can enter node face, and give name dot JS. You can say no that one. So all view to the node and coming this one also. So listing on fault and 9,000. So coming. So hollow you can click. Coming to the hollow. So sign up also, sign in also I am completed. So now you can go to the, I am also enter the weather. You can select any city and click the get weather. So Firebase also you can see now next Firebase collect databases. So 5-star base also I am collected. And click add documents and this one select collection and use the mail and password and name also. So all to the next collected. So after you go to the another weather API there, no, that one. So already in say no API and ArtProd and marketplace and pricing and maps, that all. So that all is there, no. This one API responses. So all is completed. So API key and also is there. Weather API this one. So I can enter already API key. That means weather I can take no weather. So that one. So thanks for watching.